In this tutorial, we'll learn how OCI Identity and Access Management Policies and Role-Based Access Control work together to secure an Oracle AI Data Platform instance. In AIDP, security is applied in two layers, OCI IAM and RBAC. OCI IAM policies are the primary authorization mechanism at the OCI layer. They define which users or groups can perform which actions on which resource types and in which scope. Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC, manages what users and roles can do inside AI Data Platform. Before RBAC permissions can be used, users must have the required OCI access granted through IAM policies. As an administrator, I'll verify IAM settings in the OCI console. I'll navigate to Analytics and AI, and then select AI Data Platform Workbench. To create a new instance, I select Create AI Data Platform. Before I can continue, Oracle AI Data Platform checks that the required IAM policies are in place. When I create an AI Data Platform instance, I must choose how policies are applied. There are two policy options, Standard and Advanced. Standard is the recommended policy type and applies access settings broadly at the tenancy level, simplifying onboarding. The Advanced policy type provides more fine-grained access at the compartment level to support stricter least privilege requirements. I can add optional policies to enable different capabilities for what I need in my AIDP instance. For example, I could add the Enable Object Deletion policy to allow OCI object storage to automatically delete or archive AIDP data based on object storage lifecycle and retention rules. After I review and apply the required policies, I'll select Create AI Data Platform. Once the instance is provisioned, the next layer of security is RBAC, which determines what users can do inside AIDP. I'll start by checking permissions on the master catalog. The user who created the instance and members of the AI Data Platform admin role have administrator access to this catalog. Next, I'll check permissions on an external catalog. Some of my individual users and users with the AI Data Platform admin role have administrator access to this catalog. To simplify security at scale, I can create a custom role and then assign users to it, instead of permissioning each user one by one. I will select Roles. By default, there are two system roles, AI Data Platform Admin and Auditor. The provisioner is assigned to the admin role, and admins are assigned to the auditor role. To create a custom role, I will select Add and name the new role as Data Science. I'll then assign data scientists to this role and grant the appropriate permissions on the AIDP objects they need, so access is consistent across projects. I'll add my coworker to the new custom role by selecting the compartment and default domain where my colleague is a member. I'll add them to the role. Then I'll select Create. Next, I will grant my admin users and everyone in the Data Science custom role access to the Acme Core Workspace. I can add permissions to the workspace for an individual user, group, or role. In this case, I will add the Data Science custom role. Now my colleague, as part of the Data Science role, can access the Acme Corp workspace. Now that I've confirmed IAM policies during provisioning and used RBAC to create a role and grant workspace access, I can give teammates the access they need, without granting broad admin permissions across the entire instance. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle AI Data Platform in the links below.